So we have seen comparison operators, and I hope you have went through all the string functions completely. Okay. And then what are logical operators? Then I told, like, what are logical operators? Is it is and, or, and, not. There are three. What are they? You all can see the screen, right? Right. So there is and, or, and, not. There are three logical operators. Okay. So what are they? So I asked you to go through them, right? Can you please explain? Can any of you explain? Mm-hmm.
If both arguments are true, then only result is true is AND operator.
Right. So if you remember a binary table, so let me just draw. Right. So this is 1, 1. If both are true, 1 is true. Okay. 1 means true. 0 means false. Okay. 1 is true. 0 means false. And case, what does it happen? Or else let us say true and true. Two conditions. First condition is also true. Second condition also true. Then only the whole condition becomes true. Okay, let me just do one thing. Okay. So and or not. So in case of and, right? So the first condition, second condition. Example, let's say we have two conditions and the total. So what would be the overall? Overall, let me call it a overall. Right. So in case of and, first condition returned true, first expression. Second expression returned false. What will be the overall?
False.
Right.
False.
The first condition is false. Second condition is also false. What is the overall result?
False.
False.
First condition is false. Second condition is true. What is the overall?
False.
False.
First condition is true. Second condition is also true. What is the overall?
True.
True.
Only in this case, where both the first and second are true, only then overall condition is true. If any one of it is false, the overall condition is false. Both should be true. Only then the overall expression becomes true. So now let us look at or.
At least one argument.
Right. First, second. So first is true. Second is false in case of or. Now what will be the overall? First is true, second is false. Either this or this is true, then the overall is true.
True.
Any one of it is true, overall is true.
True.
False, true, true,
True.
true, true, true. Only if both the things are false, then it becomes false.
False.
Okay, are we clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Okay, so not is more like a inversion operator. So not True meaning
Complement.
False.
not true means false.
False.
Not false means
True.
True.
true. Right, so this is a not operator. So in order to represent and, or, and not, what are the symbols that we have? For and, the operator is and itself. For or, the operator is or itself. For not, the operator is not. Okay, so these are the operators. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me, I will write a simple this thing here. Name is equal to admin, or let me, instead of name, I will just say role equal to admin. Okay, and let's say okay, let me just say equal to I have taken certain email ID, certain role. So here what I am checking is if role equals to admin and email is equal to admin@.com, only then we will execute this. Here I'm going to say print role is valid. Okay, so here whatever we are taking here is 4 spaces, and that is called indentation. Clear? Now tell me, will this block be executed or not as per this condition?
No, sir.
Why not?
In about his email is ABC and email in here is admin.
Right. So the first expression's outcome is what? Role equal to admin. Yes. In which case it is
True.
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 And second expression, email equal to admin@xyz.com. What is our email? abc@xyz.com and not this. So this, in this case, what happens to this expression? False.
Would be false.
Now what happens if there is a true and false? The overall will be false. So this, in this case, this is true and this is false, and hence the overall expression is false, and this block will not be executed. Okay, now instead of ABC, what if I had admin@xyz.com? What happens in this case?
True.
Right? The first expression is true and the second expression is also true. Now, when both are true, then this overall expression becomes true and you will get this value, the string printed. So this is valid. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Now, if role equals to worker or email equal to admin@xyz.com, I'm taking 4 spaces and say print so will this print? What will be the output?
Sir, it will return true.
It will return true. Why will it return true? Here, the first expression, role equal to worker. What is the role we have? Role is actually admin. But what is the role I'm checking here? Worker. So this is false. But the second expression, it is the our operator is or now. So the second expression is true. Email equal to admin@xyz.com. And if any one of it is true, then the entire expression becomes true. And hence this gets executed. So what if my email is changed to xyz at xyz.com? Now role equal to worker. No, role is actually admin. Yes. Now my email is admin@xyz.com. Now what is the email that I'm checking? xyz@xyz.com. So which means the first role equal to worker is false, or okay, if this is false, fine, then I'll check the other one. So email equal to xyz.com, but email is what? Admin.com, admin@xyz.com. Then email is also turned out to be false. Then the overall expression becomes false, and this code will not be, this block will not be executed. Clear?